What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're chilling in the bedroom. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got recently for the Sephora VIB sale, and we're doing this vlog style. I didn't want to set up my fancy camera and the lights and everything. I just have my vlog camera on, so if the quality's a little different or the lighting's a little like in and out, I apologize for that. But I just want to chill and chit chat, show you guys what I got. A lot of these things I've had on my list for a while. Some of them are restocks, some of them are new items, and a lot of them are good for spring and summer all year round, but a lot of these items are really good for these upcoming warm months. With all that being said though, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe. If you enjoy makeup hauls, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and jump into it. I have my Sephora bag here. I'll first start off with the shampoo and the conditioner that I got. So I got these from Way Hair Care, and I already used their shampoo and the conditioner, but I wanted to try the ones that are from the smooth line. The one that I use right now is from the repair line, but I wanted to give these ones a try. I've heard really good things about these as well. So they're pretty much a restock for me, but they're just a different version. Honestly, I used to be the type of person to just go to like Target and get shampoo and conditioner from there, or like Walmart. But ever since I've tried higher end hair care on my hair, I've seen a huge difference. And it's essential for me to try and use really good hair care products because of the texture of my hair and because my hair is lighter now. I have bleach all up in my hair, so I do need, you know, better products. Another item that I got for kind of repairing my hair and making it a lot more healthy is the original Olaplex Hair Perfector. This repairs and strengthens, and it's for all hair types. When I did get my hair done, they put this on my hair to help repair it because it was bleached a few times. So I wanted to get this for myself to use it here at home. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and they use it all the time at the salon, so I wanted to have my own here at home. I was reading it though, and you're supposed to apply this before you shampoo and condition your hair. So maybe with using something like that along with the shampoo and the conditioner, my hair will slowly start to get a little bit better. In one of my recent videos, I shared with you guys a new sunscreen that I recently started using, and it's from the brand Super Goop. And I went to Sephora and I saw that they had a setting mist, and I saw this a while ago. When I used to work at Sephora, I saw this and I was always kind of intrigued and I always wanted to try it. So I finally bought it, and this is a makeup setting mist that has SPF 50. You can use this before applying your makeup, plus you can use it throughout the day if you're like out in the sun, if you're at the beach and you have a little bit of tinted moisturizer or something, or if you have a full face of makeup on. You can use this to refresh your makeup and to add SPF that wears off throughout the day. So it's perfect for the summertime. And I've always wanted to get something like this because honestly, I'm really bad with SPF and sunscreen. Like I don't use it as much as I should, and I think that's why my acne scars haven't faded as much as they should have by now. Oh, this one I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna probably put it on after this video. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. This smells amazing. So they do have their Bum Bum cream, and I've heard that one's really good and that it smells amazing. But one day I went into Sephora a while ago and I sprayed this on myself, and I wanted to see if it wore on me well, because I've sprayed perfumes on myself and sometimes they don't smell as good as when you just spray it in the store. So I sprayed it on myself, and then I kept going about my day. I left Sephora, you know, continued running my errands, and throughout the day I was getting the whiff of this body mist, and it smelled so good. Plus it wore all day. It smells kind of like vanilla and coconut. I love anything that smells like vanilla, so this is amazing. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run out of this really fast, and it was only 20 bucks for it smelling really good and it lasting all day on me. I think that's pretty good. As far as makeup, I didn't get a whole lot of makeup. I did get a few things. I've gotten a lot of requests to try out the new Cover FX Power Play foundation, so I picked one up. I got the shade G50. I kind of guessed because I went into my Sephora like color IQ and I tried to look for my shade without having to ask somebody to shade match me, but the perfect shade match wasn't coming up for me. So I just went ahead and swatched some on my arm, I swatched some on my neck, and went with the one that I thought would work well. So we're gonna see if G50 works well. If you guys want to see a full review on this, let me know. I know this came out like a little while ago already, and I don't know if you guys still want to see a review on it, but let me know if you guys do. So I got myself one of those. This is supposed to be, it says right here, a long wearing liquid foundation with high impact pigments that provide buildable medium to full coverage. It's supposed to be breathable and weightless. When I first swatched this on my wrist, that thing, like after it was set, it was not budging. Even when I tried taking it off with makeup remover, it was very difficult to remove. So we're gonna see how that one works. And then I got this primer that was, it was a splurge for me. It was definitely a splurge for me. It's the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. This primer, I saw it on Instagram and I was like, what is that everybody's using? This is supposed to be for all skin types. Invisible layers of silk instantly filter away imperfections and impurities for alluring skin all day and over time. So it's supposed to blur, prime, protect, color correct, and it's supposed to help with anti-aging at the same time. I've also heard amazing things about Tatcha products. This is the first product that I'm ever trying from this brand, so I'm looking forward to it. It has a lot of claims here, so we're gonna see how this one works. But let me show you at least what it looks like. Even the box is pretty. Like, I don't even want to mess it up. It's like that, and it has a little book here of instructions on how to use it. And it comes in this little, ooh, you get this little, what is this called? I don't know if you guys can see that. So you get this little round scoop and it has a line on it. So you're supposed to scoop the primer up to that line. So it's a little disc and you just go ahead and open it like this. And there is the primer. I've never tried a primer like this that's in a canvas like this. The only thing is that there's nowhere to store the little scoop. So I usually just throw all my primers, I have them all in one drawer. So there's nowhere for me to like put the thing so it sticks with the primer. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up losing this, but I guess if I do, I can apply it with my fingers. I don't know, I'll figure something out, or I'll just leave it in the box just to be safe. Oh wow, so I'm reading this and it says with every purchase that you make of the Tatcha products, you help brighten the future of a girl in a developing country. One full-size skincare purchase equals 1 day of school. Tatcha is proud to partner with Room to Read to make this change possible. That is amazing. I did not know that. This is another product that I'm about to put all over my body right now because I'm gonna go to a family event right now. But this is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava Body Luminizer. I got it in Who Needs Clothes. This is another product that I'm like, I don't know if you guys want to see a review on it, like a full video just talking about this product right here. I didn't get the other shade. They didn't have it in store. I think you're supposed to get it like online, but I just got the one that's Who Needs Clothes. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a review on this. I tried it a little bit in store, but this is basically a body oil that has shimmer in it. It's a dry oil, or at least it feels like it's a dry oil, and this gives your body more of a shimmer. I wouldn't say a glow, because a glow to me is like a sheen oil with a subtle glitter. This is full-on glitter, so it's definitely gonna give you a nice shimmer to the skin. This is more of a product like if you're a makeup junkie or a makeup collector and you just want to add it to your collection, perfect for that. But it also has great use to it. It's not just gonna look pretty. It does work pretty well, and it has a nice fragrance. So you're kind of getting a fragrance and a body oil slash luminizer all in one. And then I got 2 brow products. Since my hair is a little bit lighter, and I'm actually gonna go even lighter, I think next week or the week after that, I wanted to get some brow products that would make my brows look a little bit lighter. I do have naturally dark brow hair, so I'm hoping using some lighter brow products would kind of tone them down. So I got the Benefit Brow. I have this one already in the shade 4, and I got it in the shade 3. It's a little bit warmer. It has more of a ginger kind of color to it. And then I got my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is a brow pencil, and I got this one in the color Chocolate. I usually use the color Dark Brown, but the color Chocolate, or the shade Chocolate, is a lot warmer and it's a little bit lighter. So again, hopefully it tones down my eyebrows a little bit. That's pretty much everything that I got for the Sephora VIB sale. Let me know in the comments what products you guys are thinking of getting, or what products you did already get for the Sephora VIB sale. I don't know if I'm gonna go again this upcoming weekend, we'll see. But I did post actually some product recommendations, some of my Sephora favorites on my Insta stories. I'm thinking of posting a few more after this video, so definitely make sure to follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to see that, and if you guys want to stay updated with some of the new products that I get, because a lot of the times I post them on my Insta stories. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I'll see you in my next video.